Everything you are seeing right now is 100% fake. I didn't fly to Hollywood, and I definitely didn't meet Superman or Wonder Woman. I created this entire viral video without leaving my desk using a new AI workflow. But here is the catch. Most people trying this trend end up with glitchy, warped faces because they use the default settings. So today, I'm not just giving you the step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you the specific hidden setting in step 3 that fixes those glitches and makes your video look like Hollywood VFX. The full prompts are in the description. Grab the link right now. Let's get started. Everything starts with one clean selfie. If this step is wrong, nothing else works. Step 1. Take your selfie, which is recommended from your phone. Good lighting and make sure your face is clearly visible. Or else if you don't have one, you can generate with any of your photo. Just upload that photo to Gemini and use this prompt. Let me show you. Copy this prompt, go to Gemini, paste this prompt. First select create image, then load and select any of your image. So I'll select this one for now, and then once image is loaded, click generate. Now the image generated. So once generated, click and download. Once downloaded, then go to the next step. Now let's generate the celebrities. This is the secret to consistency. Now step 2 is to generate all of your celebrity selfies. So whoever you want, first make a list and generate selfies with them. To do that, you have to go to Gemini first, then upload your selfie that we generated in step 1, or you can upload from your phone which you have. Then copy paste the prompt below, which is here. And one most important thing is when you generate images with Gemini, sometimes it gives you square images even after we saying we want a 9:16 vertical image. So it's a technical glitch, so don't worry if that happens. Just go to Canva Magic and expand it, or if you are using clip drop, you can uncrop it. That's how you can fix, so that will not mess with your quality of the image. So this is generally, if you want 10-15 celebrities, you have to just use this, replace your celebrity name here and then the location of that movie where they are shooting, or whichever the location you want. For example, if I want a Superman selfie, so I use this prompt. Here I'll replace Superman with celebrity, and then at the set of Metropolis you can see I've just replaced celebrity and location. Same for Wonder Woman. This is how you do it. And most importantly, you have to generate this selfie images for all of the celebrities that you want to create video for. Let's do that. Let's open Gemini. We are here. Select create image option, then upload your selfie and copy paste the prompt. So I'll use this one for example. Now I'll select my selfie that we generated earlier, this one. So and then I'll add the prompt here. So I'll click generate and we'll give few seconds for the image to generate. It has been generated in vertical as we wanted it. Look at that, so nice, right? So then you click download and save all the celebrity images in one of the folder. So let's create one more. So Wonder Woman, I'll do the same. I'll copy the prompt and I'll paste the prompt here again. Upload my image. Image is uploaded. I'll click submit. We'll wait for a few seconds. Now quick check. If this is already useful, comment AI below so I know you want more advanced workflows like this. Now the Wonder Woman image has been generated. Look at that. It's beautiful, right? Consistency. Then click download. And you have to just repeat this process for all of your favorite celebrities. This is the most important step. Most people select the wrong model here. Don't be that person. Pay close attention. Now step 3, animate the run. So this is where the magic part happens. This is where we combine the images that we generated. From that we generate videos. The step 1 is to open your Higgsfield AI, log into Higgsfield AI. Click on video, under video click on generate video. So make sure this is general, like this part. Don't select any template, don't click change, make sure this is general. Then this is where you add the prompt that I have given you. So this prompt goes there. Then you have to select this model. As you can see, this model you have to select here is Kling 2.4 turbo. This is very important. This is the one that is very smooth, which gives very smooth transition. So go for this. I've tried all the others which doesn't work well, so don't waste your money there. So Kling 2.4 turbo. Again I'm just Kling 2.5 turbo, then 5 seconds, we don't need 10 seconds. Then this is very important, don't select 720p because this doesn't give you start and end frame, it gives you only one image. If you select 1080, then you get start and end frame. Make sure you're not on 720, like in 720 you don't get the end frame, so that's why. Okay, so 5 seconds resolution, 1080p, Kling 2.5 turbo, and this is where you add the prompt, and this is where you add the start and end image that we have generated. So let's go back here. So that's I've given you in the document. So in the start image, you upload your first celebrity selfie. That's for example, I generated myself and Superman, and the second one I generated myself and Wonder Woman. So you upload that and upload this prompt. Let me just grab the prompt, go back, I'll add the images that we generated. Right, so this is the Superman, end frame is from Superman, I'll be running to Wonder Woman. So click this and add the prompt here. Just by the time the images are loading, so this is what it says. In the first frame, person takes a picture with Superman, he then runs towards another set as seen in the final frame. He meets Wonder Woman and takes a picture with them. A handheld camera allows him throughout the entire sequence. That's what it says, right? So for the next scene, you have to start with Wonder Woman, what you ended here. So that is how you look. Your Wonder Woman was the end scene. So in the next video generation, you have to add Wonder Woman as a start scene and the next celebrity. So in case if your next celebrity is Spider-Man, so in the next one you use this Wonder Woman and Spider-Man. So like that, you have to repeat the process for all the celebrities. So create the videos for each and every celebrities that you want to create. In the next step, we combine those videos and make one video. Yeah, the image is uploaded. Now I'll click generate, this yellow button. It will take few seconds and it will generate. Okay, right now video is ready. Let's look at. Awesome, very smooth, very clean. So as I said, so you have to repeat this process, keep changing this prompt, only just replace the celebrities names and upload the images, your start and end images, and as I said, you have to select those settings, otherwise you won't get the end frame. So once you complete for videos for all this, then we'll go to the next step. This final step decides whether your video gets 2000 views or 2 million views. Now at the final stage, viral editing. So this is where you bring all your videos together. So you can use your choice of video editing tools like CapCut, Adobe Premiere or InShot. So add all that videos together and make a single seamless video. Then you export that, and if you want to ramp up the speeds in between, you can increase the speed, or else you can keep it since it's 5 seconds, doesn't matter. Then you can add your trending audio on IG and TikTok wherever you're posting, or else you can add as per the character, you can add the theme music of that character. Then export it into 1080 pixels, and then you are ready to post your viral video. So one pro tip I want to give here is, if your AI struggles to keep your consistency during the run, don't worry. All you have to worry is start and end frames should look proper. That's all. So you don't have to worry about anything else. Now you have a viral video, but if you want the exact prompts I used for the character consistency, I've linked them in the description. Subscribe for more no fluff AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.